everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for once again stopping by. I appreciate you all. And as you can see by the title below, this is a Poshmark update and an unboxing. So as you know, I am a Posh seller, and if you're not familiar with Poshmark, it's a marketing app where you can sell things from your closet with other people around the world. So it's a really great app. I love it. And I am going to be showing you something that I recently purchased with my credits that I accumulated just within the last 2 weeks. I sold several items and I had a credit of over $200. So I purchased something that I've had my eye on for a while, and I'm excited to share it with you. I have not opened it, so this is going to be just as much of a surprise for me as it is for you. And you all know I love accessories, so this is what this is. It's a handbag. Now, I am getting rid of things out of my closet, so I have uploaded some items on my Poshmark account. So if you're interested in checking that out, please go and look me up as Noble Artisan on Poshmark, and I'll leave that in the description box below. But I did upload a leather fossil crossbody bag. I uploaded a Jane Yu hand-painted leather bag, and I uploaded a Brighton belt, which I thrifted, and you probably saw that in my last haul. And so, you know, if you're looking to earn a little extra money on the side, reselling is a great way to do that, and that is why I am sharing this with you. This is not to boast or brag, but for those of you who like getting a good deal, Poshmark is a really good platform. So let's just jump right into this unboxing. I can't wait. And I'm going to see if I can get permission from the seller to share her information below. And if I do get her okay, I will share that information with you. So if I find someone's closet and I get like a really good, you know, purchase or whatever, I do like to pass that information on. So this is the inside. And it looks like it has come with its own dust bag. Let's get this off of there. So this says, "A gift from Mother Earth to you," is what it says on the bag. And I think this is a For People, For You bag. It has a really good smell to it, so no odors. And I just like how big this dust bag is, so that's awesome. So let's do the unveiling of the bag. This is a straw bag. It's made out of all natural straw. I'm not sure what the actual name of the type of grass or straw that this is made from, but I love that weaving detail in there. It just caught my eye. And of course it has this red leather here that is beautiful. And you have the turn latch. So let's take a look. Oh wow. It comes with the extra strap that you can attach. It still has the silica packets in there. Nice and roomy. Let me just move this out of the way, out of the frame. But it's nice and roomy. It has a zip compartment here and zip compartment here, and it has a detachable bamboo handle. That is so nice. And it has the little key charms on there. And I'll try to do some mod shots and give you close-ups of this bag. But it also, if you turn it around, has some slip pockets here, which is really nice. So let's test out these straps on this bag. So that's like a plus for me. And when I do the mod shots, I'll give you some more information about the bag. So, oh, this is so cute. Lovely. So you could wear this on the crook of your arm. It's even big enough to where you could wear it on the shoulder, which is absolutely lovely. I like that. All right, let's try the other strap. And you guys out there, do you all go on Poshmark? If you do, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I actually love Poshmark. It's been about almost 2.5 years because I started on Poshmark around the same time that I got on YouTube. So I've been enjoying both experiences, both YouTube and Poshmark. I love it. So, oh, that is so lovely. So it's a little bit longer strap on that. And now I'm going to show you some mod shots. Oh, but before I do, it does have the feet on the bottom, which is really cool. And this is a very nice structured bag. So I'm going to show you some mod shots of this and then some close-ups of the handbag and give you some extra information about the bag in case you are interested in getting one for yourself. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I just wanted to give you a much closer look at this awesome bag so you can see the beautiful details and the quality of the bag. Again, this bag is by Purse for the People, and I got some information off of their website that gives a little bit more information about the bag. The bag is sustainable rattan from the rainforest, and it shapes this eco-friendly handbag, both durable and lightweight. This handmade Aspen bag features a removable strap, canvas fabric lining with a center and side zip pockets, plus 2 internal side pouch pockets and external twist latch closure in brushed brass. So you can see the natural fibers that it's made from. I love how the logo of the bag is designed to represent the name, which is Purse for the People, but just a beautiful bag, and I love it. Just wanted to give you a review of the parcel. She left this nice little thank you note in the bag. It was packaged very well, and it came with the dust bag. And I just wanted to give you a close-up of the little bag charms that are on each handle that has the logo on it. But yes, she was a very good shipper. Everything was nice and neat, just as she had described. I would order from her again. I saved a lot of money. This bag would have been $150 on site, but I got a really good deal using my credits. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again for another handbag review and Poshmark update. As I said before, I did just upload some new things on my account, so please check me out at Noble Artisan on Poshmark, and please comment below. Let me know what you think about this bag, and some of you are probably curious. I did, like I said, use my credits for this. I had over $200 in credits, and this bag was $70, and I thought that was an excellent deal for a good quality. So thanks so much for tuning in. Please click the bell for notifications on when I upload, and subscribe if you have not. And remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.